In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a choice component in Glide. To begin, open the app in Glide where you want to implement this feature. Before adding any components, it is essential to prepare your data correctly. Head over to the Data section and open the table where you want to add the choice component. For example, I have a table that contains a task column and a priority column. I want to add a choice component to the priority column, allowing users to select from multiple options. Make sure the column you want to attach the choice component to is user-specified, which can be enabled when creating the column. The options for the choice component should exist in a separate table. I have created a table called Choices, where I have added different priority options that the user can select from. This setup ensures that the priority column in the main table can pull choices dynamically from this helper table. Once your data is ready, navigate to the Layout page. Click on the plus icon from the left-hand Components section, search for the Table component, and add it to your layout. From the right-hand side, under the Source drop-down, select your main table. If there are any unnecessary columns, delete them and ensure that the column headers match exactly with your table's column names. Next, you can add the choice component. Switch to the desktop view for better visibility, then go into the Detail section of the table where you want to place the component. Click the plus icon again, search for Choice, and add it. With the choice component selected, assign it to the appropriate column where the result should be displayed. Then, from the Source drop-down, select the table containing your choice options. In my case, it is the Helper table, and I select the column named Priority Choices. Once set up, clicking on the choice component will display all the available options, allowing users to select any of them. Additionally, you can enable the required toggle on the right-hand menu to make it mandatory for users to select an option. Any choice made by the user will immediately reflect in the main table. This is the complete process to add a choice component in Glide.